In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back deleted tasks in Asana. If a task disappeared by accident, don't worry, Asana gives you an easy way to restore it so you can pick up right where you left off. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, what to expect on screen, and a few helpful tips to avoid confusion. Start by opening Asana and heading to the project where you were working when the task was removed. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you work across multiple spaces. Being in the right place will help you find the task faster. Next, go to the search area at the top of Asana. Click the search icon or into the search bar and look for the deleted or deleted items option. This opens a special view that lists tasks which have been removed in your current workspace. In this view, you'll typically see tasks sorted by when they were last modified, so the most recently deleted items appear first. If your list is long, you can refine the results using filters like project or assignee to narrow things down, but you don't need to change any settings if you already see what you're looking for. When you spot the task you want to bring back, click its card to open the details pane. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the title, description, comments, and any attachments. This is especially useful if multiple items have similar names. Opening the task ensures you're restoring exactly what you intend. Inside the task details, look for the Undelete button and click it. Asana will restore the task and place it back into its original context whenever possible. Typically the same project, section, assignee, and due date. Subtasks, comments, and attachments usually come back as well, so your team retains the full history. If something in the original setup has changed, such as a project or section being removed, Asana will still recover the task and keep as much of the original information as it can. If you don't see the deleted view in search, try opening the full search page by clicking the search bar and pressing enter or confirm you're in the correct workspace. Access to restoring tasks also depends on your permissions, so if a task doesn't appear for you, a teammate with the right access might need to help. And remember, tasks can be recovered as long as they haven't been permanently removed. That's all it takes. Open search, go to deleted, select the task, and click undelete to bring it back. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.